So, what are you most excited about tonight?
Well, I think it's going to be a really great evening. I know that they've got a lot of Queen Latifah's performing and Winona, and I think it's going to be Joan Rivers.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to be amazing. So I think it's going to be a really great night.
Now, what's going on with you lately? What's exciting in your life?
I've been working a lot, doing a new series for Fox called Breaking In, and I reoccur on my husband's show, Parks and Recreation, and Happy Endings, and Up All Night, and a few other shows, Bob's Burgers. So I've been pretty busy.
Great.
Oh, and my husband and I had a movie that was in the main competition at Sundance, and it's called Smashed, and it's really good. So we were excited about that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Tell us what your gay fans mean to you.
A lot. And I know when they like what I'm doing and when they don't like what I'm doing, so they keep me honest, yeah. Hey, this is Megan Mullally, and you are watching Real Gay TV. This TV is real gay. Real gay.